Yuvraj Singh. All right. Next.
Ma'am, Rishabh.
Rishabh, how come again? Beta, you are in class 4th A. This is class 4th A going on. Is the same link shared in class 4th B? Tell me.
Singh is present.
Children, it's Rishabh, class 4th B. If there is any student from class 4th B, you have Sangeeta ma'am's class right now. Go and join your science class. Is that fine? And Vedanshu, beta, in which section are you?
Ma'am, A.
You're in A section, are you not in C section?
No, ma'am. I'm in A.
Okay. So last name was Yuvraj Singh. Next. All of
Ma'am,
you.
Adya Singh is present.
Who?
Adya Singh is present.
Adya Singh. All right. Very good.
Ma'am,
Next.
Charitra.
Next.
Ma'am, Shiza Fatima. Ma'am, Charitra.
Ma'am.
Shiza Fatima. Very nice. Next. Charitru. Okay. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, Mubashira is present.
Beta, what is your name?
Mubashira.
Wait. All of you wait. Who is this Ishrat Ansari? What's your name? Ishrat Ansari. Is that your correct name or it is your parents' name? Okay, that's Mubashira. Okay, beta, okay. All of you, please rename yourself if you have not entered the meeting with your name.
Ma'am,
Okay?
please tell me which class is this?
This is your social studies class, beta.
Ma'am, I don't have SSG book.
Okay, how many of you don't have the book?
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, I do not have book.
All of you raise your hand and show. I will count you. How many of you do not have the book? Okay, Mubashira, Adya, Alar, and who else? Okay, there are 3-4 students. Arjun.
Ma'am, I also have book. Ma'am, I also have book.
Beta, I am asking from those who
Ma'am,
do not
social
have
available on the
not
shop.
have the book. Okay. Now, that's very nice. Those who have, that's wonderful. But those who do not have, so what are we going to do? What are you going to do? Okay, beta, who is this Dhanraj? Dhanraj, is that your correct name?
Ma'am, Yuvraj.
Yes.
Raj.
Dhanraj, what are you saying?
Ma'am,
Okay. Yuvraj Singh. All right, all right. Yuvraj Singh is the correct name. Okay. So children, now what we are going to do without the book? How are we going to study social studies without the book? When are you planning to buy your book, beta? Those who have not bought, will you buy it today? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Definitely buy it today. So that whenever we have our class next, we have the book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So till then, let's talk in
Ma'am, I
general.
don't have books, so what will I
Ma'am, the
do?
shortage is going on the book stall.
What shortage is going on?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there is shortage of
Ma'am.
books. Okay. Yes, beta. I will tell you what we are
Ma'am.
going to do. Wait, I will tell you.
Okay.
Let's talk about this subject, social studies. What do you mean by social studies? Can anybody tell me what is social studies?
Ma'am, I don't have SST book, so what will I do?
Beta, I am talking to you all, no? I am talking in general We are discussing very general things about SST. So let's have a general discussion today. Let's not do anything. Is that fine?
Ma'am.
Yes? Now, can anybody tell me in this class, what is social studies? What do you mean when you hear this term social studies? Huh? What is social? Okay, let's break it. Can anybody tell me what is social? Even if you don't know the exact meaning of social, what is social related to? Tell me. Social is related to what? Just think. Okay, ask anybody around you. Even if your parents are sitting around you, you can ask them. What do you mean by the term social? No one is answering, huh? Okay, social. Is it related to people? Is it related to people? Tell me. Does social mean?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, definitely you can
Ma'am,
tell.
can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Means about social things like ma'am, any rare thing about.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
all of you can
Arab
tell.
Gupta.
One by one, all of you can tell. Tell.
Ma'am, human relations.
Very nice. Next.
Ma'am, Ayansh.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, may I? Arab Gupta.
One
Ma'am,
by one.
informal. The social means.
Yes.
Ma'am, an informal
Ma'am,
social
what we
thing.
are doing?
Ma'am, social means that things around us like people, environment, and ma'am, pollution.
Very nice. Very nice. So social, the term social is related to people. It is related to the relationship,
See, ma'am.
human relationship. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the name of an informal social thing?
Okay, somebody is asking me what is the name of what?
SST book.
SST book. The name of the SST book
Excursion.
is Excursion.
Excursion.
Arav Gupta, you've got the book, right? Just show the book. Just show the cover page on the camera, beta. Show it to other students who do not have. Arav Gupta, you've got social studies book? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, show it. Very nice. Manya. See, Manya is showing the book. The book name is Excursions. Got it? All right. So, when we talk about social studies,
Ma'am, on the book, ma'am, that book was the shortage.
yes, beta?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Ma'am, on the bookstall, the SST book was shortage.
Yes, it is running short. It is going
Yes,
short.
ma'am.
It is
Ma'am,
going short.
SST book is separate to buy.
Okay, beta. It will be available in 3-4 days. Don't worry. Till then, I am not going to start any chapter. Fine? I will not start any chapter. Don't worry at all.
Okay.
I don't want any one of you to miss out anything. So we'll just do very general things till then. Okay, some of you have joined late. Let me just note down your names. And children, this time,
Ma'am,
yes. This time you have to be very sincere about your online class. Okay? All the class. The signals here are very weak. Can you hear me properly, children? Am I audible to all of you?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
we are writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you clearly hear me? Is my voice breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
My
Yes,
voice,
ma'am.
oh, my voice is breaking.
Ma'am, what we are writing?
Beta, I am writing your names, I am marking your attendance, and you people have not got anything to write. Okay, now let's talk about, we've discussed what is social studies. So it is all about people around us, it is all about the social relationships, the human relationships around us. Then, what all have you studied in class 3 in social studies? Tell me. What all different things have you learned?
Ma'am, in studies, we know about many people.
Yes, we have learned about different types of people. Okay, what all have you learned about people? What different things have you learned about different people? Tell me. Have you learned about the food they eat? Did you study about what people eat in different areas? I think there is a lot of network issue. Yes, can you hear me now?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Now I have closed my camera. Now is it coming? Children, can you hear me?
About
Beta, even I cannot hear you. I can't understand what is going on. Who is speaking what?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, I'll reconnect.